So we got this beautiful Chevy 2017 Silverado. If you remember from January, we did the LS rebuild on this one. It's here for our very first services. And we're doing the oil change on this one. Also, we're going to check everything. There is no absolutely leak of coolant or oil. That's a necessary for the first time oil change after the rebuild on Auto. So that's what this customer is here for. And they got a one of the fan front keep on running from long time, even if they turned off that thing or turn it just the ignition on, the fan is still running. So what in that case happened is the thermostat goes bad, which is under warranty if you got a rebuild from Auto. 1 year warranty on the parts and the labor. So this time we're going to replace the thermostat on this beautiful LS motor. If you guys do have any of the rebuilds pending, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We've covered the warranty. This customer is not going to pay a penny from the pocket for the thermostat installation and everything. So any inquiries, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got this beautiful 2007 VW Rabbit. We swapped the engine on this one. And when we finalizing the thing, so we got this customer, they just put this rad from some other place. So how the unprofessional hands led you to replace the same part in a couple of months, not even less than a year. So they got the OEM rad on this beautiful VW. And this thing is right here damaged. So I don't know how it got damaged because this was done by the time of installation on this one. Then we order the same part and we're going to make sure we're going to install it in a professional way, so customer not going to end up paying the same money. Even this was under warranty. We told customer you can go to the other shop where you put it in, but he said like, I don't want to go back. You guys going to fix it. We trust you. That's how our clients trust us. So if you guys do have any of the VWs with the rad problems, give us a call, book your inquiries. On to the next car. Alright, so we just did a couple of things on this beautiful 2020 Honda Civic. This is one of the reliable car from Honda. What I see, this car is barely putting some work for the mechanics. If you have this car, non-turbo, that's the best car. You will feel the sporty look on this one. Also great mileage on this car. This customer have a problem with a common Honda bottom plate problem in the snowy weather. We almost did more than 20 Civics and Honda cards. Remove the plates from the bottom. If you guys want any of the reliable plate, go on the ECS tuning. They do have the aluminum solid plate for Hondas. This customer, they came in with their problem. The rear brakes are squeaking, so we going to change the rear brakes on this one. And the second thing was there's a rattling noise coming out from the exhaust system. So if you guys do have any of the exhaust breakdown, we work on those. We're going to fix the exhaust too on this one. Any of the Honda Civics, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. On to the next car. Ready. So it's 2007 Rabbit 2.5 5-cylinder. We replaced the engine on this one, and now we're going on a test drive. So see the authenticity of this car. And the people who love VWs, check it out. That's what called pure love to your BMW, VW, Audis, anything. So we're going on a test drive right now. Let's go. All right, so we're going on a test drive. So that's the first test drive after the engine got swapped on this one. Luckily, we got the low mileage engine for this car. And the customer was thinking to buy a new one, but the new car gonna be cost you more. This somewhere around 3,000 after a swap with the new rad on this one. New thermostat, new water pump. So it's not just the engine swap. We did a couple of more things to make this engine long lasting. If you guys do have any of the VWs and they're pretty good shape like this, it's 2007. So any similar years with a pretty much good decent shape, you don't have to throw it. The engines are good on this ones. This was just a lack of maintenance on the engine oil and the coolant thing, because from long time the coolant was draining. So hit us up if you have any of the VAWs, book your appointments. And also, if you guys want any of the Audi's rebuilds on TFSI's 2 liters, feel free to give us a call on that one also. We are right now stock up with a complete head gasket kit with a bolt kit, head bolts, and the water pumps on Audi's, VW's, TFSI's. This is a Volvo engine in this one. So we just to let you know, all my audience who don't know about the VW's in Canada, from 2010 to 2015, there's a 3 different engine comes in, especially VW Golf, Jetta, Passat. So the first engine is a single cam. That's a 2-liter non-turbo from VW from last 3 decades. That's the non-turbo engine and the long-lasting. It easily hits 500 clicks with a single time, with just 1 or 2 time timing belt job done on that thing. Second engine, it's this one, 5-cylinder Volvo 2.5. So basically originating this engine is with the Volvo, but it comes in a VW in Canada from 2010 to 2015. The third one, which is still up till date with the VW Audis, that's a TFSI. That's a 1.6 liter, 1.4 liter, 2 liters. There are a bunch of different TFSIs. The blocks are the same. The head is different on the each motors. They just VW Audi changed a little bit after years for that far. So any of the engines from VWs, feel free to give us a call. We even work on the TDIs, no problem. Any of your diesels, V6 or 4-cylinder TDIs, we work on those too. It depends on the parts availability. But for the TFSIs, we have a bunch of inventory for complete top to bottom engine rebuild. And also for a non-turbo gasoline engine, 2-liter, the single cam, we do have a couple of engines too in the stock. So it's not just a regular shop with oil change or brake change. We work on majorly engine transmissions, and a lot of time we have a lot of engines and transmissions in stock. Give us a call. We don't depends on the records all the time. We have our own warehouse and we store those engines and the transmission all the time. And we have multiple rebuild kits for VW, BMW, Mercedes. Don't worry, we are here. You name it, we have all those kits. Book it up. On to the next part. Here we got this 2012 CT200. That's a partially hybrid car from Lexus. So that's our regular client's car from last 5 years. And today this car came in with multiple codes on instrument cluster. There was a ABS, traction control, engine light, brake light. So the customer was confused what exactly happens. So let me tell you, the common thing in a hybrid is the misfires. When we diagnosed it, it was a misfire on cylinder 2 and 3. We take it apart, the spark plugs, they was pretty bad. And we're going to change the spark plugs on this one. And also there's one of the bearing rear right side is bad on that thing. We're going to change that one also. Let me show you. Come. All right, so this is the premium Mavotech parts. If you got a blue box on the Mavotech parts, these are the premium ones. So we don't compromise for the cheap ones. These are the premium ones. So this is the complete hub bearing, include the sensor. So this one comes with a sensor. It's a one piece. So that's why we're going to replace it. And whenever we do any of the replacement, we try to clean up the hub as much as we can. So we clear the ground where this thing gonna sit down. So if you guys do have any of the bearing issues, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. And also, so if you guys have similar issues in your Lexus Toyotas and you want the aftermarket bearings, we have a larger inventory. Give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got here, it's almost 8:30 right now. It's Friday. We are just here to finalize this beautiful A4 It's finally rebuilt from top to bottom. This customer is patiently waiting from 3 hours here, and we are working overtime here. This car is ready. Let me show you. If you're gonna see, we're gonna start up the car and take it out. If you guys do have the same Audi that I want to rebuild, give us a call, book your appointment. Also, if you guys have any of the VWs, any of the Jettas, Passats, Golfs with a TFSI engine, TSI engines, we work on those ones. And this one, we're gonna take it out right now, and the customer is so much excited to drive this one, they can't even wait to put the hands on the steering. So that's where we're gonna go. If you guys do have the same cars, give us a call.